Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can fix this issue Ads.txt not found. Let me log in into my WordPress website by adding /wp-admin and let me click on login button to go in website dashboard. Scroll down and here I need to install a plugin that's called File Manager. Here you can see 1 million plus active installations. So let me install this plugin. So basically file manager that we see in the cPanel in web hosting. And on the left side here you can see click here WP file manager. Now scroll down and here you can see website directory. So now we need to add a new file. And here you can go click here new file. So you will get multiple options. We need .txt file, this one, and give a name ads.txt. Then press enter. Let me scroll down. And now here I need to add some text. So now click here. Then here you can go verify site ownership. Then second option. Let me copy this one and add here. Then click save and close